This is the Samsung Galaxy A12. It is the successor to last year's Samsung Galaxy A11, and just like every other Samsung Galaxy A series devices, this is a budget device priced at about $170 or 65,000 Naira, and at that price you'll be getting the 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage version. Other leading specifications include 5000 mAh battery, a 48 megapixel quad camera, etc. With all of that said, is the Samsung Galaxy A12 a significant upgrade to the A11? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and let's get to the video. Design first, the Samsung Galaxy A12 has a unique design. To the top left corner is a quad camera setup with the flash just below it. More on the camera later in the video. The back has two patterns, with the larger part of it being textured, which translates to better grip as you don't get a protective case in the box. The lower part of it back has a matte finish. Although this device is made of plastic, it does not feel like plastic. You get what I mean? It looks like it is made of aluminium due to the textures, but it is actually plastic. As you have seen that there is no fingerprint scanner at the back of this device, the fingerprint scanner is side mounted. It is on the power button and it is in a good position, just where your thumb will naturally be, and just above it is the volume rockers. Below the device is a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, USB Type-C port, and mono speaker grills, and at the top of this device is another microphone hole. To the right side of this device is a SIM card tray that can take 2 nano SIMs and an SD card. The front of this device is where I get disappointed. This device has a 6.5 inches Infinity V display, a downgrade from the 0-point display from last year's Samsung Galaxy A11. This display makes this device seem like something that was made late in 2019. This is a TFT display and it has a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, which means you'll be capped at 720p while streaming content. Just like every other Samsung device, the display is great and it produces good colors. In the Infinity V cutout is an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. Speaking of cameras, this phone has a quad back camera setup comprising of a 48 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel depth and macro. All of these which will take decent pictures in good lighting condition. This device will run your day-to-day application just fine. This unit has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. You can also go for the maxed out version. But one thing to note is that this is not a gaming device. It runs MediaTek 12nm Helio P35 chipset. You'll be able to play games smoothly in low to average graphics setting though, and with the massive 5000 mAh battery which supports 15W fast charging, it will get you through the day on average usage. This device comes with Android 10 and Samsung One UI 2.5, but I think Samsung will roll out Android 11 software update to this device, fingers crossed on that. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A12 has a better camera, a better battery life, more RAM and inbuilt storage than that of last year's Samsung Galaxy A11, with the Infinity V notch being the only downside for me, which is not even a big deal by the way. I can live with it. That's all for this video guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it and subscribe to this channel for more tech content like this. On to the next one. Au revoir.